First, how to replace your automatic transmission shift boot. Remove the shift knob by pulling straight up and off the shift lever. The knob can be quite tight and may need a lot of force to remove it. I found if you slightly twist the knob back and forth while pulling it up, it will come off easier. With that said, be careful because the plastic rod can break when the knob is removed. Pull it up using a well-controlled force. Grab the shift boot at the rear and pull up and out of the shift indicator bezel. If there has been a drink spilled, like coffee, the shift boot may stick in the bezel. You can clean the shift boot surrounding area before removing with using a toothpick. This will remove most of the debris and allow the boot to be pulled out easily. If you need to remove the shift indicator bezel, use the next steps. If not, you can skip them. I like to grab the rear edge of the shift indicator bezel and pull up. If there is debris between the bezel and the center console, it may give you a hard time. You can use the toothpick cleaning tip here as well. Next, lift the shift indicator up and disconnect the electrical connectors by pulling them apart, green arrows. When you pull the connectors off, be sure to pull straight away as to not damage the opposite side of the connectors. Install the new shift boot to bezel and reverse removal instructions for the remainder of the installation. Firmly press the shift knob back onto the shift lever. To replace a manual transmission-equipped car, grab the shift boot at the rear and pull up and out of the center console trim. Again, if there's been debris in there, you can use a toothpick to clean around it and help free it up. This will remove most of the debris and allow the boot to be pulled out easily. Next, remove the shift knob by pulling straight up and off the shift lever. The knob again can be on quite tight and may need a fair amount of force to remove it. I have found if you slightly twist the knob back and forth while pulling up, it will come off easier. Slide the shift boot up and off the shift lever, install the new shift boot and snap into the center console. Then install the shift knob by pushing down firmly. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.